What letter is this?
N.
This one.
U.
This one.
B. U.
How about this one?
K.
This one.
T.
This one.
H.
Yes, very good. How about this one?
B.
How about this one?
R.
How about this one?
T.
And this one?
K.
How about this one? How about this one?
D.
This one?
Y.
And about this one?
N.
What color is this?
Yellow.
This one?
Green.
This one?
D. Blue.
How about this one?
Orange.
This one?
Mint.
Okay. This one? What shape?
Gold.
This one?
Art.
This one?
Door.
This one?
Darling.
This one?
Girl.
This one?
Girl.
How about this one?
Girl.
Rectangle. And this one? What letter? Oh, na? Dede.